second day of the year. TradeGATEHub, which is sponsored by Tradeview Markets. Before the beginning of the year today and going forward, I urge everybody before today and going forward to get a part of our process. If you think you're just going to sign on, and just go like that and be like, okay, I get it. It's not the way it works. You know what I mean? You start off, like a doctor. I started off as a general practitioner. They gave me the tonsil thing. They gave me the stethoscope, the freaking thing. You work your way up. You start taking temperatures and sprains, and then you work up to freaking brain surgery. Or if you're lucky, gynecology. All right, let's get it. Watch our videos, okay? 6,300 subscribers. We do a couple a day. I do one power hour as well as 11 a.m. Eastern. All right, let's go. A lot of things you can look at. Go to the screen. Fear, greed. Watch today's video. Breadth is bad, but stocks are, it's just one of those markets. What am I in? Bottom line. All right, I'm in bros. What bros today? Okay. You got fear and greed. Here's bros. Here are the spies. I'm in bros. What else is acting? RGTI is the one they're still taking quantum up with calls. Near the high of the day. Still has a lot of volume. I'm not in it. I don't feel it. I don't feel it with that one. I should. Why? Price range, action, volume, acting well, calls. So why shouldn't I? What's the difference between any other one? Am I hypocritical with the system? Sometimes you go with the, I should. It's got calls. You even highlighted. BP. All right, you're not going to miss it, but maybe this BP still taking calls is more emblematic, pardon me, of some sort of oil rotation still happening. I actually tried to sell a chunk of PBF today at 27.15. Now it's at the low of the day. You're bastard. All right, what else are they buying? QUBT is the other quantum stock that's still playing. So those two are hard. I'll get to my screen in a second. RGTI, QUBT. Okay. Stocks I'm watching, and then OX. Also news calls, BFLY, barfly, butterfly. It is what it is. Do you have any shame if you buy a freaking, new M5 because of Butterfly Network? I don't have any problem with it. Still could go. Also calls off the radar. I did buy a lot of AES again today. In the right sector, still calls. Why didn't I buy the other ones? I don't know. BKR, they're going after the driller that's been acting the best this whole time. Baker Hughes, the former BHI. Crisp, got my eye on. Nutella, same thing. Gene, listen, some stock picking. Let's look at bigger things, okay? Let's look at Microsoft. Talked about that this morning. What's going to have a catalyst to pull this one up? I think it's more prone to bring down the market as it was when Microsoft was up here to bring up the market. That makes sense. It should. Replay it. Planeteer, what are they doing with this former darling? Well, I'm really starting to act a little bitchy. I say things like that, former darling. Well, what's this coming across here? What the hell is this about? Am I early? Should this be of alarm? Face mandates return in multiple states as Dr. warned of quademic of 4 viral infections. Well, I got a stomach one. I'm in. Not to give too much information as the freaking hood goes up. Favorite Getty. Tesla. Okay. Said it this morning. Got to be in the room. It's political now. I know the deliveries were subpar. It's political. We might as well be trading DJT, in my opinion, along with it. God forbid there's really a fallout or any type of fallout between Elon and Donnie. Then we'd be fighting freaking Elon to buy Greenland. He'd probably beat us too. I appreciate everybody with the live trading and TradeGATEHub live as we speak. Thank you. I'll like myself because my mom told me I should like myself. All right, late day action. I'm not that excited here. Not gonna lie. Before I go to the tweets, the Twitters. Let's look at VIX. If that's a stock, what'd you do? I'd be more prone to be long that with that, especially with that moving. I don't know, two big bars up, volume, 3 days down. Why bother? All right, take it easy. It's the first day of the year. We got things going off. I showed you what to do. The Q is bouncing up to 50 days and holding still. Brought that up this morning with Dale Pinkert, Traders Column coach. Below the 50-day on the Q. 508. Flip that around. It's going to 500. Got a problem. You know what the problem is? Got a couple of stocks that are bleeding on me that are taking a lot of calls. You know what they are. AUR. Hate to look. Oh, you got a lot of AUR here. Average price is where there's my line, my average. I'm also trying to sell it there. AUR, my average is 7. So there it is, the 698. There is 610. I'll never, there's the gap. They could, got a lot of it, not gonna lie. Doesn't look good. I'm not adding. But it's got those April and March calls. I'm hoping somebody steps up, but they're not. So I'm not. But it is bleeding me a little bit. I hate to get dramatic or graphic. It is. It is what it is. You think it always freaking, they always go up? Put call ratio is very important. It's a lot of technicals now. Not even close. You need put calls to go away. You need everybody to freaking be bearish. And then see that you need when everybody when they're loaded up on puts and they're bearish. Coach and I went to this the other day. Okay, everybody's all bearish. Then the S&P rips. Now you need this thing to pop. It's not even close. The VIX isn't even close. How is it fear? But it is. I'm not fearful. I'm pissed that I'm long AUR, but I'm not fearful. I got some good positions working. How about EOS? Should retire on this thing. Okay. Doing all right. Got Devin. All right. Well, I get it, but made a little run. Short term little doji, if you will. Whatever. Could be worse. And that's why the VIX is where it is. I hate to say I'm typical of the trader, but I'm an active manager. You know, I hope to think I'm on the at least one of the higher quintiles, put my ego aside, but I'm aware we're all chasing the same freaking thing, even Larry here. Planeteer. They're buying puts. Well, you know what? Who cares? I can tell you why who cares. Make an agree. It expires tomorrow. Guy's going for $6,400. Could lose that at Aqueduct on the daily double in about 10 minutes. That doesn't give me much credence, but this should. Most actives going into the close. And as we close down Power Hour, and I will show my screen just so I wouldn't get distracted before, let's look at it. Oh, hold on. Let's look at how they're closing. Percent gainers in the last 60 minutes. Dave Rigetti brought it up. QSI Quantum, QUB. What does this all have to do? They're actually good, the charts. They're all quantum. Percent losers last 60 minutes. The VIX. Why not? Percent gainers on the day. What are we interested in this? SPCB thought it was going to be halted. We spoke about that. OBIO, not interested. Chris, Laus, Holo, VSTN continued. Look at the NNOX VSTN brought up this morning. It was a good follow through. Fuel cell, I'm in that. Hydrogen. Mike, by the way, very bullish on hydrogen this year. Try to corner the hydrogen market. I'm serious. Dead freaking serious. Fuel cell's one of them. Pin the tweet, whatever they do, twin to tweet to pin. I am. UEC uranium. Spoke about it today with Coach. EOS. Array. All right, so they're going to still batteries, lithium, array. How come we're not in this one? But it only has 5 million shares. But you know what? This is the type of stock that may or may not follow through, but rests a day and then keeps going. But that what was that stock that acted good today? Not ENVX, XBON. How come that didn't keep going? I had greater expectations for this XPON, which by the way this morning was 4. Excuse me. And now it's 2. Nice to see you, Bob. Ugh. Do I have any questions? I should. To this XPON. Yeah, this is Nick again. Not feeling it. The long portfolio had a decent day. Like I said, with that being said, I don't know. Just don't feel it that much. It's wrong of me to say that too. Is it because you know what? It hurts my head. The feeling in my stomach hurts my body. Numbers don't hurt. Numbers are just they don't feel anything. Matter of fact, when they click, they feel great. All right. Anything? Bears have increased the volume. Technicals are taking over. A little tight liquidity. That's it. See what happens at the close. I'm not trying to be a hero either. Tomorrow's Friday. Coach pops into my head. You're not going to lose Fridays. A lot of good things, Coach pops. So let's look at this. Oh, let's look at my screen. What times? Guess what time it is? I just don't want to read through. Majority of the people listening during the power hour don't go past 22 minutes. Urban Outfitters going. VFC positive, still acting well. Retailers, hey, Urban Outfitters. If you why am I not long this thing? This is the bros of retail. Weekly Urban Outfitters. Bros. Bros. Am I up in it? We'll buy some bros here. Buy 400 more. You know what? It's already at 350. Something's freaking flying though. Chevron, Planeteer, Meta, APP, Roku, Tesla. I mean, even hold on, look at this 5-minute RSI on Tesla's even extended. You can't get a rally now. This stock should be coming back at least. I don't know. I just don't know. All I know is it's got price action range, and for that guy that actually kind of swing trades or day trades better than most, they should be psyched, but I don't know. EOS. Let's see if anything in my thing's going up. Yeah, anything worth working here? AURs. Don't look at this AUR. Just getting killed in AUR. It was up 80,000 this morning. We going in this AES again? I mean, what am I going to do with this thing? I'm not really good at holding these things that go like this. It's not my forte. I'm not really that, this this is the thing where you want it to be. How about that other one? Liberty, LBRT. Look at this freaking thing. So remember they started taking calls here. I said, this is the thing where you want your position to work. You don't even watch it. Before you know it'll be 22. Freaking hit 2110. AES. I just don't have it in it. I'd love to take a gazillion. It's taking calls, some good ones. I don't even know why. I should even worry about this type of AES, the AES Corporation. You know what I mean? I have 20. I want to lighten up though. Bros. ZK hurt me. RCAT. Only have 5,000 RCAT. Didn't fall for the drone. So there I'll hold a little bit. Just a little. They're not going to completely this. Look at this. IO and Q. The one is all great. This is the one. I'm wasting everybody's time on it being it is taking calls. The video started what, 3 o'clock? Dave Rigetti was 11 and a half. This is the one. And the other one they said that I'm not quite sure. Yeah. Dave Rigetti. Put your ego aside, Mike V. Where's Carvana? CRK. Oh my God. Mick, where are you? Mickey? Oh my God, CRK, this is going higher too. You know what? That's happening here. You know what's happening here, don't you? I'll tell you what's happening. Oh no, I pressed the wrong button. Face masks. It's freaking me out. Remind me later. That's right. Get to know me. What's this? CRK. Things are disconnected. That's not good. Pit Crew should have gotten this for me. CRK will buy another 4,000. This stock I'm building a position in the fund. I'm not gonna lie. I hate to say I told you so. BBIO, Bridge Bio. Mm-hmm. Oh, Bridge Bio. Money where our mouth is. Up by 4,000. What's the spread? By 800 more Bridge Bio for those that like money. What else are we buying here? No fun. We'll do some fun picking. CYTK. Oh, that's the weekly. Apologize. CYTK. Yes, sir. We're gonna start a little there. We know. No, we don't know anything. We shouldn't say that. But we will buy 200 more CYTK. Notice we're not buying any Microsoft or any Mag 7 stocks, which doesn't make it right or wrong. Dollar Tree. How we doing there? Boy, nice call, Mike V. Gave a little back, not chasing it, not adding. CME, we're along the fund. Ugh, grab. Mick, I'm still in grab. Look at the grab bag. What a letdown, the grab bag. I have to note that. I'm going to get out on the grab bag. Grab holdings. I'm being facetious. Grab. I have to get out here. Note to sell grab above 5 in the fund. To lighten up. PCG, I like. Fund stocks. Building it. Building some PCG. That's not sexy. You guys want to see some fuel cell or MIR and these space stocks are in trouble. Slob gave it all back. What a rat. Yeah. Sprung a leak. All right, let's get back to what's moving now. Let me shut down at least the fund situation. All right, we'll go to the main page. Bitcoin going higher. They're all chirping me at Bitcoin. Come on with this chart. Sorry. Top left is what's moving. Nah, gel. What's gel? I'm not interested in gel. Used to be interested in hair gel. I use that nice hair. So it doesn't matter anymore. Spectrum Brands, Dawn, Humana, Meta, Futures bouncing off this, coming off the bottom very nicely. I'm not going to lie. Come up to 484. I would, a real VIX. This is where if I was long, I would take some off here. Real man shorts here, something. Or real man gets out of something that's not working. JL, JMIA, PBF, RCAT, ZK, Bros, by 800. Nope, not doing it. See that? I almost impulsed out. I will sell 8,000 AES. You know, I'll sell 4,000. So I want to lighten up on this. It's the right stock. I just 1316. Notice we're using smart TradeView route. I use the same just like everybody else. Because you know what? TradeView and TradeView Markets and TradeGATEHub has done what? Built for traders by traders, and it's no different in the freaking room. Billy took a lot of calls. I'll do it. Dave Rigetti. It's all about that close. Onion, Bros. Bros. Viking Therapeutics. Zim is the one. Said it was taking a lot of call. Urban. Zim. Get together, Mike V. I'm trying to show my positions in the still the same thing at the same time. Trust me. I usually have a different. I'm trying to put my charts on the same thing. Zim, look at that move up. Shipper. Shipping rates. ABM going up. Nope. MP, the Chinese mineral maker. There you go, moving up late. Not interested. Dave Rigetti's the one. See that, Dave Rigetti? They all loaded up in calls. See that? Look, this is what the problem is. It's not the problem. And, well, all right, at what time is it? 3:23. It takes you an hour to build up the position for, let's say here, hour. What time is it? 2:30. And you get to 3:30, up $1. 2 ticks, boom. Got to be sharp. Sorry about that. I don't like to see that. It bothers me. But yet again, I'm aware, not ignorant. Dollar massive breakout. Go to Dale Pinker. I want to speak about that stuff. These guys. And someone tell me, all right, so here you go. This is my opinion, Jim. We'll talk a little bit. Can someone tell me who keeps buying Target? All right, so Kramer, his opinion, usually a good one, has been wrong. So his price action is trumping his sentiment. And you know what? Urban Outfitters sucks too. But look what it's doing. Ollie. Walmart. Leave it there. Do I have any questions? What's the one that I would do? I bought some Billy. The Dave Rigetti, I'm not really sure of. I don't. Walmart. I'll leave it there. Okay. Mike V, thanks for tuning in. I'll do better. Do better next time. Cheers. I'll take questions right now. I'm trading. It might change. You never know. It's one.